Are you having issues installing Windows Update? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Here is how to resolve the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Let's get started on how to fix Windows Update installation issues. Method 1. Restart the Windows Update service. Restarting the Windows Update service ensures it is running properly and can update your system. Now here is how to do that. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll down to Windows Update Service, right-click it and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic, click OK and then select Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply and check if the update works. Method 2. Restart Windows Update Components. Next, you can restart Windows Update Components manually. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Now run these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste them from there. Once done, restart your PC and check for updates. Method 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Using the built-in Windows Troubleshooter can help detect and fix common update issues automatically. Here is how to run the troubleshooter. Open Start, type Troubleshoot and select Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters and choose to run Windows Update. Follow the on-screen instructions, wait for the process to complete and check if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Run DISM and SFC commands. The next thing you can do is run DISM and SFC scans to repair system files and fix update-related corruption. Open an elevated command prompt window. Execute the following commands one by one. DISM /online/cleanup-image/restore health. SFC /scan now. Wait for the repair process to finish, then restart your PC and check for updates. Method 5. Free up disk space. Lack of storage can also prevent Windows updates from installing properly. Here is how you can free up some disk space. Open Settings, then go to System, then select Storage. Click Temporary Files and select Unnecessary Files. Click Remove Files and restart your PC. Method 6. Uninstall updates. Reverting your system to a previous state can resolve update issues caused by recent changes. To do that, open Settings, go to Windows Update, then select Update History. Click Uninstall Updates, then select and remove the latest installed update. Restart your PC and then try to reinstall the latest updates. Method 7. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause update failures due to server authentication issues. To check the date and settings, open Settings, then select Time and Language, then Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Restart your PC and try updating again. Method 8. Use Safe Mode to install updates. Some updates may not install due to background applications. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig and hit enter. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot and select Network. Click Apply, then OK, then restart your PC. Try running Windows Update. Method 9. Clean install Windows. If all else fails, performing a clean installation of Windows ensures a fresh, error-free system. Download a valid Windows version from Microsoft's website. Click on the Download Now option and follow the instructions to complete a clean installation. Once done, activate Windows with your product key and set up your system. And that's it. Those are the solutions to fix the issue when Windows Update fails to install. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment below to share which solution worked for you. It might help others too. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.